Hello and good day to everyone. We are Group 5 from the subject of Fundamental of Computer Graphics, Session 2. We are here to present our assignment 1 related to the Unity engine software. So first, I will introduce my group member and I, which are me, Ming Choy, my group member, one no Atiqah, and no Khuzaimah. So first, I will do some introduction. So this is our first review assignment. We have selected a sample application of computer graphics, which is the Unity software engine. So this Unity is a 3D or 2D game engine and is a powerful cross-platform IDE for the developer. So in particular, we have studied some reference to the making of short film called Adam, the Mirror and the Adam, which use Unity software engine, and we will focus on the graphic rendering and shading in the visual effect production in this short film. So first, I'll explain on the rendering of computer graphic for the special effect of the short film. So first, this short film is rendered on Unity 2017, and a geometry buffer called gbuffer is used. So this gbuffer contains all the necessary data to perform actual lighting calculation further down the render pipe. So by setting multiple render targets, data can be written into 4 constituents of the geometry buffer within the same draw cell. So first will be the diffuse color RGB, and second specular color RGB, third world normal RGB, and lastly the emission or ambient RGB. All these buffers are used for some specific purpose. Example, calculating illuminance with respect of light resource, and also to gather reflection and accumulate lighting. So all this rendering can help to generate a more photorealistic image in the application or in this short film. So next, I'll pass to Atiqah for the next part, which is defer lighting. Atiqah?
Okay, thank you, Ming Chan. Now I will proceed to the deferred lighting. G-buffer and deferred lighting are related to each other. How it is related to computer graphics for the visual effects is the deferred lighting will perform a pass for each light in view, accumulating light to the HDR buffer on every pass. The contents of the G-buffer are computed against the current light's information, and as the first step, the world space position of the pixel is reconstructed from the depth buffer, and then it is used to calculate the direction from the surface point to the eye. The shadow and other light information also is gathered into a single scalar term to accentuate the final result, and all surface data is read from the G buffer. Finally, everything gets submitted to our shading model, a physically based micro-featured bidirectional reflectance distribution function BRDF for the final shading. And as for the final product, which combines the shading, the shadow, and the G buffer. Next, I will pass to Khuzaimah for the photographic term.
Alright, thank you, Wanu Atiqah. From this assignment, we found the 3 terms for computer graphic, which is G-buffer, 3D rendering, and subsurface scattering. So the G-buffer is pass render each game objects once, which differs and specular color, surface smoothness, surface normal, and emission plus emission reflection light map that render into G-buffer section. So G-buffer section is set up as a global shader properties for later access by shader. Next is 3D rendering. 3D rendering is the process of producing an image based on 3-dimensional data stored in a computer. It also converts 3D wireframe models into 2D image with 3D photorealistic. And the third term is subsurface scattering, which also known as subsurface light transport, SSLT. It is a mechanism of light transport in which a light that penetrates the surface of translucent object is scattered by interacting with the material and exit the surface at a different point. In conclusion, from this assignment, the short film Adam, the Mirror and Adam episode 3 is a good example of extensive use of computer graphics in producing special effects by using Unity software engine. The versatility of Unity engine function enable it to help the designer and content creator not just in the making of game graphic, but also for short film animation graphic. That's all from me, and I will pass it to Choy.
All right, that's all from our group, and thank you.